Welcome back to AF Car Reviews. The 2027 Tesla Model Y could be one of the most interesting money-saving SUVs for American drivers, but here's the big question. Can an electric SUV really save you thousands over years of daily driving while still giving you the space, comfort, and practicality needed for family life or small business work? Today, we are looking at the range, real-world charging cost, maintenance, insurance, resale value, and the hidden ownership value that could make the Model Y a very smart buy. The 2027 Tesla Model Y is expected to start around $41,000 to $42,000 in the United States, depending on configuration, while higher versions can move well beyond $50,000. The larger Model YL is listed around $63,630. These are estimated or current market figures, so actual pricing can change with Tesla updates, options, taxes, and incentives. For Japan, a realistic expectation is roughly 6.5 to 8 million yen depending on trim, import costs, and local pricing. For overseas American market buyers, especially in the Middle East, final prices can be much higher because of shipping, taxes, registration, and local dealer or importer margins. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people consider a Tesla: running cost. The Model Y does not use gasoline at all. Current 2027 Model Y estimates show efficiency around 134 miles per gallon equivalent combined, with approximately 144 miles per gallon equivalent in city driving and 123 miles per gallon equivalent on the highway. EPA-rated range can reach around 325 to 357 miles depending on version, while real-world highway driving can be lower, especially at high speeds, in cold weather, or with heavy air conditioning use. Independent testing has shown that highway range can fall significantly compared with the official number, so buyers should plan around real conditions rather than the maximum advertised range. For an American driver covering 15,000 miles a year, electricity can still be dramatically cheaper than gasoline, especially if you charge at home during lower rate periods. And if you have solar power or inexpensive home electricity, the savings can become even more attractive. For a small business owner using the Model Y for deliveries, commuting between locations, or daily transportation, avoiding gasoline stations can also save time. Charging is another major advantage. Tesla's supercharger network gives the Model Y a strong advantage for road trips, while home charging is ideal for everyday use. You can return home, plug in, and start the next morning with a much fuller battery instead of making a separate trip to a gas station. In city driving, the Model Y feels quick and effortless. Electric torque arrives immediately, making it easy to move through traffic, merge into busy intersections, and make short overtakes. Its compact SUV shape also makes it easier to handle than a large American SUV when parking in narrow streets or crowded downtown areas. On the highway, the Model Y feels stable and comfortable, although your final experience depends heavily on wheels, tires, road quality, and trim. The updated Model Y has improved suspension tuning compared with earlier versions, giving it a calmer feel. For daily usability, this is where the Model Y becomes more than just an EV. You get useful passenger space, a large rear cargo area, and additional front storage. It can handle groceries, luggage, equipment, and many small business needs. It is not a pickup truck, so extremely heavy loads or serious towing work are not its specialty, but for everyday commercial use it can be surprisingly practical. Maintenance is another hidden advantage. There is no traditional engine oil, spark plugs, transmission fluid service, or exhaust system. That means fewer routine mechanical services. Recent ownership estimates show relatively low maintenance and repair costs compared with many conventional vehicles, although tires, brakes, suspension components, accident repairs, and out-of-warranty electronics can still become expensive. Insurance is the area where buyers need to be careful. Tesla insurance costs can vary heavily by state, driver profile, coverage level, and vehicle configuration. Some ownership estimates put insurance among the largest 5-year expenses, sometimes exceeding fuel and maintenance combined. So before buying, always get an actual insurance quote using your zip code. Spare parts are generally available through Tesla's service network and independent repair businesses, but some body panels, electronics, and specialized components can cost more or take longer to source than parts for a high-volume gasoline SUV. This matters for commercial buyers who cannot afford long downtime. Resale value is another important point. The Model Y has strong market recognition and a large used car audience, but Tesla prices can change quickly, and rapid EV technology updates can increase depreciation. Current market estimates suggest a Model Y may retain only around 39% of its original value after 5 years, so buyers should not assume it will hold value like the strongest traditional SUVs. Compared with an American competitor like the Ford Mustang Mach-E, the Model Y's biggest advantage is the overall ownership ecosystem. Charging access, efficiency, cargo practicality, software, and a mature supercharger network. The Mach-E can offer its own advantages in styling and driving character, but for a value-focused buyer who wants lower energy use and simple daily operation, the Model Y remains very compelling. So, is the 2027 Tesla Model Y a smart choice? If your driving is mostly city and highway commuting, you can charge at home, and you want to reduce gasoline and routine maintenance expenses, the answer can be yes. For small businesses, families, and drivers who want one vehicle for everyday transportation and occasional long trips, the Model Y offers a powerful combination of efficiency, space, technology, and convenience. But remember, the cheapest car to run is not automatically the cheapest car to own. Insurance, depreciation, charging prices, tires, financing, and your local electricity rates all matter. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to AF Car Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car updates, ownership guides, and future Tesla reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.